Good morning students. Welcome to our geometry class. Today we are going to learn what is mean by similarity of triangle. Now first see what is mean by similar figures. Similar figures means having the same shape but having different size. Now see here, these two bangles are there. It is smaller, it is bigger. These two are similar bangles, similar figures. Similar figures means having the same shape but sizes are different. Now see here, if we take these two scales are similar, not congruent. Congruent means exactly similar. Now see here, these two pens are exactly similar, so it is called as congruent figures. If height, length, breadth all are equal, then it is the congruent figure. And similar means sizes are different but shapes are same, are called as similar. Now see here, these two figures, these are congruent figures. These are similar figures having the same shape but sizes are different, are called as similar. Now see here, if we take these two boxes are also similar, having the length, breadth, heights are different but only shape is same. If shape is same, then that is said to be a similar figure. Now see here, what is mean by similarity of triangle. If we take circle, quadrilateral, rectangle, if the shapes are same, then that figures are said to be similar figures. Now see here, what is mean by similarity of triangle. We have already learned about what is mean by congruent triangles. Congruent triangle means all the three sides and all the three angles are congruent. Now what is mean by similarity of triangle? It is the most important topic, student. Similarity of triangle. Now see here, in similarity of triangle, two triangles are given. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now see here, what is given? Congruent angles. Which are the congruent angles? Angle A is congruent to angle P. Angle B is congruent to angle R, and angle C is congruent to angle B is congruent to angle Q, and angle C is congruent to angle R. If all the three angles are congruent and sides are in proportional, sides are in proportion. Now sides are in proportion means if we take the ratio of sides, now AB upon PQ, then BC upon QR, and AC upon PR. Now AB upon PQ, 2 upon 4. What is your answer? 1 is to 2. 3 upon 6, 1 is to 2. 2.5 upon 5. What is your answer? 1 is to 2. Means what is mean by similar triangles? If the angles are congruent, corresponding angles are congruent, all the three angles are congruent, and sides are in proportion, means ratio of the sides are equal. If the ratio is equal, then we say that these two triangles are similar. Then we say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is the sign of similar square. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. What is given? All the three sides and ratio. You have to take the ratio. In congruent triangles, what you have to take? AB is congruent to PQ, BC is congruent to PR, and AC is congruent to P. All the three sides are congruent and all the angles are also congruent. Here angles are congruent and sides are in proportion. Then we say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So what is the definition of similar triangles? If ABC corresponds to PQR, then corresponding angles of one triangle are congruent with the corresponding angles of second triangle. And if the corresponding sides are in proportion, then we say that the triangles are similar. And then we say that this ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now see here, if example is given, you have to identify whether the triangles are similar or not. Now see here, if we take these two triangles, BEF N. Now see here, angle D is congruent to angle N, angle E is congruent to angle L, and angle F is congruent to angle M. Now see here you have to take in triangle. If we take DEF, you have to take N triangle. Now D is corresponds to N, so first write down N. Then E is corresponds to L, so NL, and F is corresponds to M. So what is the name of your triangle? NLM. So triangle DEF and triangle NLM. Then you have to show that if you want to write first angles and then you have to write down the sides. So which are the angles? Angle D is congruent to angle N. Then angle E is congruent to angle L, and angle F is congruent to angle M. And you have to take the sides. Which sides? If we take DE, then here you have to take NL. Now see here DE, here you have to take NL. DE upon NL, then EF upon LM, and third DF upon NM. If these conditions are satisfied, then we say that triangle DEF is similar to triangle NLM. You have to see the correspondence, see the signs, and then write down the similar triangles. So write down here this similarity of triangles and the example. Now let's see the next topic. Now next are the how to find if one side is given. You have to find out the remaining sides. Now if one side is given, any sides of one triangle is given, you have to find out the sides of remaining triangle. Now see here, if triangle ABC and PQR is given. Now see here, if triangle ABC and PQR is given, you have to find out the sides of triangle PQR. Now see here, if AB is 4, BC is equal to 5, AC is equal to 3 centimeter, and PQ is equal to 8 centimeter, you have to find out QR and PR. QR and PR you have to find out. Now what is given? AB is 4, BC is 5, AC. And again what is given? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. That is given. You have to find out QR and PR. So how will you find? Now first, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If triangles are similar, you can take the ratio of the sides. AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, and AC upon PR. Here what is the reason? CSST. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. Corresponding side. If angles are there, then CAST. Corresponding angles of similar triangle. Now here put the values. What is AB? 4. PQ 8. BC 5. QR you have to find out. AC 3, and PR you have to find out. Now see here, you have to compare this ratio with the given ratio and this ratio with the given ratio. Now take 4 upon 8 is equal to 5 upon QR. So what you get? 4 into QR is equal to 5 into 8, and therefore QR is equal to 5 8 40 upon 4, that is 10. So QR is how much? 10. Then find out the PR. Now also here also you have to compare this ratio with the 4 upon 8. 4 upon 8 is equal to 3 upon PR. Always compare with the ratio which is given. Now 4 upon 8 is given. Now cross multiply. What you get? 4 into PR is equal to 8 3s are 20. And therefore PR is equal to 24 upon 4. How much? 6. And therefore PR is equal to 6. You get all the three sides. Which three sides? First, PQ is equal to 8. Then QR is equal to 10 centimeter. And PR is equal to 6 centimeter. Now students, if any one side is given, you have to find out the remaining sides. Now if triangle PQR is similar to triangle MNP, and you have to write down the corresponding sides and corresponding angles. Now corresponding sides means what you have to write down? PQ upon MN is equal to QR upon NP, and then PR upon NP. Here what is the reason? CSS. And then you have to write down angle P is congruent to angle M, angle Q is congruent to angle N, and angle R is congruent to angle P. What is the reason? CAST, corresponding angles of similar triangles. Here if triangles are given similar, then you have to write down the ratio like this. So students, write down all that is given in the video in your copy. It is the most important topic. Similar in 10th standard also same chapter is there, similarity of triangles. So students, write all these formulae and figure and definitions in your copy and then send. Thank you. And